doing here? Just got my new shipment from the Bio Dude, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna do an unboxing video for you guys. Just a little bit, you know, just starting out with the hobby per se. I've had reptiles all my life. You know, I'm looking to expand my horizons as far as different reptiles that I'm going to get and keep, and also building some vivariums, paludariums, natural bioactive setups and stuff like that, so I'm really excited. I appreciate all you guys for viewing my videos, and let's get started, shall we? Okay guys, so I'm going to do an unboxing video. I got a shipment from the Bio Dude, Joshua Halter. I'm not being endorsed by any way to show his products or anything. I watch him on YouTube and everything, and I love his channel. I love what he does, and he creates some wonderful products. It seems like this is my first ever shipment that I've gotten from the Bio Dude. I am also getting a plant shipment and everything shipped out yesterday, so that'll be here Thursday. I ship the dry goods separately just because, you know, live stuff needs to be shipped overnight and stuff like that. So, without further ado, we'll get into this unboxing. I'm really excited to get this stuff. As you can see behind me, I am in the midst of making a 75-gallon paludarium, so this is a lot of the supplies that will be used for that and so on. So, let's see what we got here. Now, he's got a lot of substrates, biodegradables, and stuff like that, as well as he carries Zoo Med stuff and lighting and all kinds of stuff. So, let's see. Okay. So, we got a couple things here. So, first we've got the packing slip with everything. It says, "Thank you from the dude." So that's pretty cool. Okay. And in with the packing slip, we've got card, a magnet, that's pretty cool. It's got a cute little frog guy on it. And these LED warranties, as well as some stuff about his BioShot. Now, the BioShot is pretty cool. It says here, supplement beneficial microorganisms and nutrients for bioactive vivaria. It's formulated with aerobic bacteria, mycorrhizal fungi, and archaea to promote the efficient conversion of organic waste to nutrients easily absorbed by roots for plants and soil health. It's 100% organic, that are safe for all pets, reptiles, and amphibians. Promotes self-cleaning and self-maintaining ecosystem. So basically, here's the BioShot here that I'm going to be putting into my soil in my paludarium. Basically, what his BioShot does is you can put it in with the soil, mix it in, and it helps with the breakdown and everything if you don't have isopods or springtails and decomposers like that. You can also have decomposers in your soil with his BioShot, but it just helps promote a healthy transition of your plants and everything to help from shock. So I'm going to mix that in. I'm actually getting springtails and stuff, so that'll hopefully will help kind of the nutrition of the soil and everything. I've got my LED prop, so I got an LED light from him, and these are the props that go with it. So basically, I'll kind of show you how those work when I get my light out here. Okay. These are his biodegradable spag moss. So you can see this here. I got 1, 2, 3 bags of that. So pretty good. It's sealed in bags and everything. So He says it's pretty good grade, so see that. This is the adapter portion to the LED light, so let's open this up and give this a look. It looks like hooks and mounts and stuff, just so that you can mount it depending on your setup. And this is the power adapter with switch. Now his LEDs that he uses comes with a switch and a little, plug-in right there. So I see the LED, I believe, is right here. That is packaged in bubble wrap and everything, so you can see that. It came with a little card here. All Tinkman Herps LEDs come with full 1-year product replacement warranty against any malfunction or defect. So that's pretty cool. So let's, this is packaged pretty good. Really impressed with the packaging on this. So, I'm gonna get this open as cautiously as I can here, and as delicately as I can. Alright, nice. So this is a mixed spectrum LED light. Very nice packaging. Very impressed. Very, very impressed. So here's the light. It's pretty nice. So there's the light, LED. So basically with this, you screw in your adapter here. And you have your props, so that when you're setting it on top of your cage, you can either hang it, or you can use these to just set it right on the top. Just like that. So that's how it sits right there. Try to get you a better look here. Hold on. So this is the LED up close. So you can see kind of how it works. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, so let's finish up with the rest of this here. I have a bag with, I got the ReptiTemp digital infrared thermometer by ZoomEd. So this is to get some really accurate surface temps and stuff in the tank, especially for Herbie being a Euromastics. He needs it really warm. And if you have rocks and stuff like that, sometimes the surfaces of the rocks can get a little too hot. So that's going to help me out with that, just so that, especially when I get his new setup, it, some surfaces won't get too hot on him. I don't want to hurt him. So this is a digital thermal hygrometer. I have 2 of those. So really excited about getting those. So these are going to go in my new paludarium setup, 1 on each end, so I can get accurate husbandry and stuff like that. And these are 2 of the, let's see what they, ram's head seed pods that he has. Now these are good because you can break these and put these in the soil, and they create kind of hot spots for your isopods and springtails. Kind of helps them reproduce faster, breaks down in the soil. So as per his advice, I'm getting some of those and using those in my paludarium. I got a screen separator. I just got like the 40 breeder, I think, but I'm going to have to cut this down to my size So that's going to go in between my drainage layer and my substrate layer so that I can have appropriate drainage and stuff. So that's pretty neat. Okay. Just some more biodegradables. I got some of his oak leaf litter. So that's pretty neat. Packaged. So that's awesome. And I believe all the rest here, yep, is the Terrafauna. So this is the substrate that I'm going to be using. These all come in 6-quart bags, by the way, which is 1.5 cubic feet. So there's his Terrafauna. So he has all different types of substrates and stuff, and this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to put a pair of basilisks in my paludarium. So I got 6, I believe, of those. Yes, 6-quart bags. So he does sell a 36-quart bag, but I'm not sure how much I'm going to be using. So to kind of preserve the freshness and everything, I decided to get 6-quart bags. I may have saved a little bit of money, you know, getting a 36-quart bag, but that's all right. I wanted to have them packaged separately because I wasn't exactly sure how much I was going to be using. So that is my unboxing for my shipment of the Bio Dude. Also just wanted to give him a shout out, Joshua Halter, the Bio Dude. I really appreciate the fact that he does military and law enforcement discounts. That is absolutely an amazing tribute to service members, not only in police, but for our country. And it's greatly appreciated, man. I can honestly say that a lot of people don't do police discounts of stuff unless it's stuff related to the job. Definitely going to take advantage of this discount. It's an awesome thing that you're doing as far as, you know, tributing to police and stuff like that. So that is greatly appreciated. Again, I'm a subscriber to his channel. I wasn't told in any way to endorse him or anything, but I really appreciate it. So I hope you guys like the unboxing and some really great products. I can't wait to put them to use. And thanks for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Put a like down below. Shoot me a comment if you like anything about my setup or how I'm doing anything with my paludarium. If you want any tips or anything, let me know. So there you have it. Thanks, guys.